Going to buy bread to take the first breakfast of the year. So go with me to buy bread. It's actually late because we slept late because of the power nights, crossover night service. So this is past 10 a.m. Past 10 a.m. I'm going to buy bread to take tea for breakfast. I wanted to eat rice, but I said it's been a long time I took tea. It's been a long time I took tea. Happy New Year, ma. Happy New Year. Yes, so fine, ma. Wow. This is a new year. Oh. Happy New Year, guys. I feel like trekking to the place, but it's far. But using that as a medium to work out, to do small walk exercise, is going to be good though. But people that are waiting for this bread at home now, they will not. I don't want to keep them waiting. I would have just trekked to the place I'm going and come back. It's as a medium of working out too. Working out. Now that I'm not backing my baby. This Akara woman did not come out. All the shops are locked. Everywhere is cleared. All the shops are locked. I hope I'm going to see bread. Happy New Year, ma. Happy New Year. We have made it to this new year. Bye bye, ma. All the shops are locked. Still trekking to the place. Oh. All the shops are locked. Everywhere is locked. Everywhere is sealed, locked. People are sleeping from their crossover nights. They are still sleeping. In order for me not to get disappointed by the time I get to that place, it's like I will find a bike so that it will be easy for me. Even if I find out they did not have, I can easily come back. Let me find bike. There is one thing age and maturity will help you do or discover in life. Like for me now, for me personally, growth and age and experience and exposure has exposed me to knowing or seeing humanity just the way they are. You know, seeing humanity just the way they are, accepting humanity just the way they are. You know, it's not like I see someone, I'll be like, look at this person. No, I see human, I see nature, and I embrace it, I love it, and appreciate everybody individually. You get? Appreciate everybody individually as they are. There are some people that will see it's also like accepting cultures, accepting tradition and everything. Just accepting every human just the way they are. Accepting every human just the way they are. Their belief, what they believe in, what they worship. That is what exposure will help you do, and maturity too. That is what it will help you do. You know, coming from a place where you don't see different cultures, you don't see mixed people. You may have that closed mindset to life. When you see people carrying tattoo or dread, you know, and all of that, you'll be looking at them in a certain way, because they are not like the set of people that you used to see every day. You get? They are not like the set of people you are always seeing every day. You see people that are on low cut, well plaited hair, and all of that. But now you are seeing people that look like mad. Sorry to say that, but they are not actually mad. Maybe because of how they dress, because of the various tattoo and everything. So exposure is very, very good though, and maturity. Understand? Not for you. I'm going to buy bread. I'm almost close to where I'm going. I trek, but I'm hoping that by the time I get to the place, they will be open, because of the crossover night service. Some people have not come back from their. Some people have not waking up safe. They are still sleeping. Even though it's late, this is almost 11 a.m. Nigerian time. But I'm hoping that I'm going to see what I want to buy. See you guys. Thank goodness they are open. Let me buy something. Bread. Only bread is what I came to buy. Maybe and biscuits. Good morning. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. How will I get sugar? Sugar. I'll buy sugar and bread. Let me show you guys. There's no bread yet. No bread. There's no bread. Okay, you guys came to buy bread. And I try to come from far place. So. They don't have bread. They don't have bread today or 4 days. That I want to drink tea. Going home. Going back home, I couldn't find the bread. Oga, Happy New Year. Fine, everything, everything is I get that side. Oh, wow. Bread. They don't get bread. You don't afford it. Okay. Come go check ya. No, like this bread. Oh, no, come na like. Come check ya. Thank you, sir. I hope these people have bread. Oh, boku. I went to Hutus first. I be Hutos. I went to Hutos. They don't have bread. Let me check boku. Boku bread.
You don't be the one with me, you don't sleep.
Hold on. Abeg, where I fit get bread? Bread. Okay. I never come. Na Hutos I dey always buy bread. Bread dey. Omo, the queue is not here. Just for bread, only one bread. The queue is not here. The queue is not here at all. The queue is too much. Hey, wahala. Only for one bread. How am I going to do this now? Just buy it to buy. Yes, I later got the bread after a long queue. Which kind tea person wan drink at 11:29 a.m? Which kind tea? Hey, when I get home, they are going to yab me that I stayed long. They don't know that the queue is too much. When there is scarcity of supply, you know, when there is scarcity of supply of bread, because the other this thing that they don't have bread. So we now have to queue in one place that they have. So you know that the demand is going to be too high. Well, let me get some sha. If they are going to they're going to still drink the tea, fine. If not, maybe I'll find another thing that we can eat. So yeah, it is. See my goods and services. My goods and services. The only bread carry me enter. I bought only bread, Lipton and sugar. Bread, Lipton and sugar. Not for you. Okay, so at this point I'm going to enter bike because coming and going is far. But I was able to trek when I was coming, but now I cannot trek again. Let me enter bike so that I can arrive on time. Did they go?